Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aishwarya and today's video is going to be on this beautiful Korean inspired makeup look. It's a warm toned brown eyeshadow makeup look. You will definitely love this, so try this out for yourself. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, I'm going to be applying this white seed brightening lotion from this brand FACESHOP, and it's just like a moisturizer that I'm using before my base makeup so that my base makeup can sit really well onto my skin. And especially if you have dry skin, definitely apply this and massage it onto your skin so that it keeps your skin hydrated and moisturized all the time. Next, I'll be applying this primer by COLORBAR. It's like a silicone based primer and it just fills in your pores and everything, so it's good to apply a primer before your base makeup. So apply it in your T-zone and wherever you have open pores and just massage it into your skin, and yeah, you're good to go. Now I'll be color correcting, for which I'll be using this lipstick by Maybelline in the shade Coral, which is like a reddish orange shade. If you have any lipstick which is similar to that, definitely use that to color correct your dark spots or dark circles. So what it does is, if you don't use or if you don't do the step, your under eyes or any dark spots which you have is gonna look very ashy and gray. To avoid this thing, you can just color correct using your own lipstick. You don't have to have a color corrector, so follow this step. And now for the next step, which is concealing, I'm going to be using the Inside Cosmetics HD concealer, and I'll be applying it on the spots where I just color corrected, and I'm going to be covering it with the concealer. And now with the help of this round fluffy brush, I'm going to be blending all the concealer that I just applied. Now I'm blending all this concealer which is under my eyes, and you can already see that my dark circles look very better and very skin-like. And if you don't color correct, they are gonna look very gray and ashy, and you don't want that to happen. So definitely always color correct, especially if you have dark circles just like me. So now I'll be applying this foundation by Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 128 Warm Nude, which is like my shade. And if you're nearby to my skin tone, you can definitely pick this shade out if you're confused. So this is like a really good foundation which is very affordable, also very good quality and very good coverage. So definitely check out this foundation if you haven't already. I'm sure you must have. And now I'll be blending this foundation using this flat top kabuki brush, which is like a really good blending brush. And my pro tip for makeup or base makeup is that blend your foundation really well. When you blend your foundation really well, your makeup is gonna turn out like really well. So yeah, as you can see, I'm blending this foundation like really well into my skin, which is like going to take forever. So yeah, let's move on. And now again we'll be concealing, for which I'm going to be again using the Inside Cosmetics HD concealer, and I'm just applying it under my eyes, and I'll be blending it with the same round fluffy brush. And the key to concealer is also to blend really well. Like whatever products you apply, just blend it in really well, and your makeup is going to turn out very good. And I promise that it's going to look really good if you blend everything in the correct way. So now I'm going to be doing my eyebrows, for which I'm going to be using this Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil, and this is like a really good eyebrow pencil. It has the perfect pigmentation and everything. So first I'm going to be filling in my eyebrows, and then I'm going to be giving it a little bit of shape, and then I'm going to be brushing it out using the spoolie which is given in the eyebrow pencil. So you can see I'm brushing that out. So yeah. And now I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Neutrals 2 eyeshadow palette for my eye makeup, and I'll be using this light brown shade in my crease, and I'll be blending it really well. So it's like the blending is the key basically, so blend it really well. And now I'm going to be using this darker brown shades, and I'm going to be applying it and blending it in my outer corner. So as I said, blend it really well. As much as you blend, the eyeshadow is going to turn out really well. So I'm going to be doing that. now from the same palette, I'm going to be applying this goldenish shimmer shade towards my inner corner using my finger. Actually, using your finger gives you the best pigment. And then I'm going to be using this flat brush to just tap and kind of blend in the shimmer shadow really well. Alright, so now I'll be using the Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil once again, and I'm going to be using it to line my lower lash line. And now I'll be using this Blue Heaven Brown eyeliner to just create like a winged eyeliner. And as you can see, I'm going to be drawing it like very lightly and like very gentle lines. I'm not going to make it very thick or whatsoever. So you can see I'm making like small stroke. And now I'm going to be drawing a small stroke like just like the wing liner, but I'm going to be drawing it down, and it's going to look like a double wing liner almost. And I kind of really like the output which came out. It's going to look really cute and make your eyes look really beautiful. So definitely try this out if you haven't already. And you can see we're almost done with the eyeliner, and now I'm going to be using this MINISO eyelash curler to curl my lashes, which is gonna give you like more length and volume to your lashes when you apply mascara, which is like definitely something which you want, right? So I'm going to be curling my eyelashes first, and then I'm going to be applying this mascara by the FACESHOP. It's like so good, you guys. You definitely have to try this one. Like, it's gonna give you so much length, and trust me, you can already see the difference. I really love the mascara. Definitely I'll recommend you guys to use this mascara as well, so definitely try this out for once. And now I'll do the same makeup to the other eye as well. Okay, now I'll be using this LAKME Rose powder to set my face, and this is not like the best setting powder I can say, but it does the job really well, and it's like really affordable. So if you are looking for any setting powders which is like in affordable range, then definitely you can try this one and you will love it for sure. So right now you all can see I'm done setting my face with the powder. And now I'll be using LA Colors Highlight and Contour Palette to contour my face, and I'll be using this slightly angled fluffy brush to contour my face. And now I'm using this slightly angled brush to kind of contour my nose, and it does the job really well, so yeah. And one hack that I would like to give you when you are contouring your nose is that concentrate on connecting the contour with your eyebrows, and it's gonna look more natural. And if you don't do that step, it's gonna look like real fake and unnatural, so definitely do this. And now again I'm using this Makeup Revolution Neutrals to Eyeshadow palette for my blush, and I'm using like a orangish brown shade, and I'm applying it in an upward direction of my cheekbone. It kind of gives like a lifted effect, so yeah. And the next step is highlighting, for which I'll be using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. And this is such a beautiful highlighter, you guys. I really love this one. And you can see I'm applying it on my cheekbones and also on my eyebrow bones, and also I'll be applying it on my nose tip. For this makeup look, you'll only have to apply it on your nose tip, and that's it. On to the last step of today's makeup tutorial. I'm going to be using this FACESHOP water fit tint, and I really love this lip tint, you guys. Like, I really love this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Definitely try this out for yourself. And yeah, I'm done with this makeup tutorial, so let's change our outfit.